What's wrong?
Oh, I just stubbed my toe.
I hate that.
Oh, I was trying to text my mom and ask her if she did her OFM meditation yet today. And I stubbed my toe so bad.
Dude, you don't even know. Last week, I did the same thing, but I hit it so hard, the nail cracked.
Yeah, mine did just now.
No, but like so hard the nail shattered, and some of it got lodged in my toe.
Ow.
Yeah, the doctor said there's a chance I might need surgery.
Wow, that's gnarly. That actually reminds me a lot of the time my sister stabbed me in the throat with a knife.
Oh my god.
Well, it was a plastic toy knife, and I was sitting next to her, and I had it in my throat, chewing on it like kids do. And when she yawned, her elbow hit the back of it, jammed it so deep into my throat.
Ow, no way.
Dude, it was so bad. I was gushing blood everywhere. If I opened up my mouth for a second, it would all just come pouring out.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, the doctor said I've got apparently so much scar tissue there. He's honestly surprised I can swallow any food at all.
Whoa. So can they do anything about it?
Well, you know what they said? I might need to get surgery.
This was a while ago. Yeah?
I didn't, but it was really touch and go there for a while.
Ugh, that's crazy. But you know, I'm actually really glad you mentioned that because it reminds me of the time I actually twisted both of my legs playing chess.
Oh no.
And like, you know, normally they're just a bit sore and you just have to stay off of them for a while. Mine did a full 180 and they stayed that way.
What?
Every step I took, I was moving backwards. You know, I'd go in for a handshake, I was already back at the door. I ruined so many friendships like this.
That's terrible.
Yeah. I got used to doing everything in reverse below the waist, but I had to keep everything normal above the waist. I was like, a piano. You know, down here was in bass clef, and this was in treble. They both did whatever the hell they wanted. But that music never came together.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, lots of blood too. Gushing everywhere.
really? How much?
Pools of it. Swimming pools of it. A tragedy. They said, I was gonna need surgery for it.
No way. So you got it?
Sorry?
You got the surgery.
My legs are back to normal now.
But you got the surgery.
Wow. Oh, sir. Well, I wanted to, but I couldn't because I had a recital that night. It was me.
How'd it go?
Not good.
Oh, you know, it's crazy listening to this because honestly, it reminds me of the time a gorilla beat me unconscious.
Oh, I hate that.
I'm at the zoo and I accidentally fall into the gorilla pit.
Yep, same.
I break both my arms and legs on the fall. This thing comes and picks me up, brings me back to its cave, and then it starts to nurse me back to full health.
Yep.
I think it thought I was another gorilla because it loved me immediately. But then I opened my mouth to thank it, and it was like, I don't understand this language. And then it starts kicking me in the face.
Hurts, doesn't it?
Grabs my face, shoves it into the rock wall.
Yeah, that's happened to me at least 3 times, I think.
Dude, don't you wait until you fall into the lion's den, then we can talk.
No, I have.
Like really bad. I was taken advantage of.
I gave birth to 3 little beautiful boy cubs.
6. We were the largest pride of the San Diego Zoo.
So much blood.
Literally so much purple blood.
I've had both my eyes gouged out with a spoon.
I've gouged out the eyes of both of my spoons.
I sneezed so hard, my tongue came out and just pulled all the organs with it.
Oh, I stepped on a Lego piece and I erupted into flames.
I got ejected out of an airlock in space and I literally died.
I'm actually dead. Right this instant, I'm dead.
I've died a couple times.
Sorry? I'm having a hard time understanding you because I'm not here, I'm dead.
I haven't drawn breath for a long time.
Yeah, I want to text my mom back about that meditation. I can't. I'm dead.
There was a lot of blood, right?
Oh, so much blood. In fact, I might need to get surgery. Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Dude, it was nothing at all. Didn't hurt at all. Hey, do you mind if I use your bathroom really quickly?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I'll be right back. Yeah. Mom, I hit my hand.
Need to get surgery.
No.
Oh.
You're so sweet.
No, yeah, this is the part of the skit. Get surgery. Okay, Guy's gonna hit this and not anything else. Okay.